In this video, let me show you how to pay Metrobank credit card online. First, open your Metrobank app in your phone. Next, enter your email and password to log in. And here, just click the Pay Bills at the bottom of the screen. Now enter the amount you want to pay. Next, click the biller and search for Metrobank credit card. After that, enter the subscriber or account number. Next, click Immediate for schedule. You may also enter notes if you like and click Next. Now follow the further instructions and you can now pay your Metrobank credit card online. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.